In this video, we're going to see how to create or how to use Facebook apps or Facebook applications for generating targeted leads and sales. This is a bit more advanced topic, and if you're someone who is just starting off as a Facebook marketer, do watch this video very closely. And if you were to watch it twice, you should be good to go. So let's get started. The Facebook applications are one of the ninja tools to get noticed and generate leads and sales in return. You can create a maximum of 10 applications like these for your blogs, YouTube channels, business opportunities you promote, or affiliate products you want to sell. The cool thing is that Facebook applications are not being used by many marketers. Either they do not have any idea how to work with them, or even if they have, they're not using it effectively. But once you know how to use them for your business, you will be generating targeted leads and sales for completely free of cost, for which your fellow marketers will be spending thousands of dollars. So how cool is that? So let's quickly jump inside our sample Facebook fan page and show you how this looks like. So let me scroll it down so you can see this app section. So when someone clicks over here, they are directed to the CAPTCHA or sales page. You can have a maximum of 10 apps like these about your affiliate offers, business opportunities, or any kind of social media like YouTube and blogs, all these kinds of stuff. The cool thing is that once you have the application set up like this never looks like you're selling. This looks like some values, so people come over here to the page and they automatically click over here and they enter into your funnel. To create an application, you have to come to your personal Facebook page because you cannot create an app from your fan page. This is very simple. Just go to the search area and type WooBox Custom Tab. Just click on this and you'll be taken directly to this particular page. You have to click on the Install Page tab button. Once you do so, WooBox will ask you which Facebook fan page you want to install this tab. You have to select your page and click Add Page tab. That's it. Now, for the demonstration purposes, I've created a demo tab account just to show you the demonstration on how to get started with this. So first, let's log in to a sample fan page to show you how to set up your first app inside your Facebook fan page. When you scroll down, you can see this particular section on the left which says Apps. As an admin of this page, I'll click on this, and once you do so, you will be taken to this page where you need to click the Configure Page tab button. Once I click on that button, they will log me out of Facebook. Then, they will take me inside WooBox, which is the application through which we're going to set up this app. Click the Switch button, and I'll switch to my personal account once again. So I'm inside WooBox now. You can see the back office of WooBox. Here, I can just easily start to set up my application. Let's set up the URL here, and once you're done, click on Save Settings. Every step inside WooBox should always be saved in Settings so that your steps are saved automatically one by one. Next, I select the Redirect, where I want to redirect my fans once they click on this tab. Then I click on Save Settings. Let me show you the basics first, and then I'll show you some advanced stuff which we can do with this. Click on Image, then select Image. I'll just select an image of which I've created for this application. So my image has been selected. After that, click on Save Settings again. Then you can see an option over here which is called Fan Gate Settings. There are 3 gate types. When you choose Off, all your visitors will see your page content automatically. The other option is the Subscribe Gate, where visitors will have to join your subscribers list using their name and email address to view your page content. The last choice is the optional Like Gate, where visitors will be asked if they want to like your page before viewing your page content. Facebook policy no longer allows requiring a user like your page, so just choose the option that you think works for you. Next, I'll go to the tab settings and write Instant Cash Machine. This is the name of the app of which I want to give. Now, if I click on View Facebook tab, it will automatically take me inside my Facebook fan page where I have created this particular application. Just for the demonstration purpose, we can see that the app has been created now. The pictures and the good stuff will appear. So, whenever someone comes over here and clicks this particular application, they will be directly taken into the sales funnel, or into the CAPTCHA page, or into the YouTube page or the blog which you want to promote as a marketer. So you can see, guys, how easy this is to set up these applications for your Facebook fan page. Now, a recap. First, you should go to Woobox, install the application for free, then set up the page for your apps. Second, go to the back office of Woobox and select the URL where you want your people to go once they click on the app. Also, choose an image for your application like what we did in our sample account. And also, never ever forget to save your settings once you are done working with this. I believe that these steps are super duper easy for you to kind of model because this is as simple as it might get. Let me show you how this application looks like once you have set this up inside this account. You've seen the entire process, and here you can already see the application. This is looking cool, and this is running. Now, if someone clicks over here, it will go to the desired URL, which I have just created inside this particular application. It is a very easy guide to set up this sort of apps. There's no difficulty whatsoever. But if you are stuck, just watch the video once again, and you should be good to go. I believe you understood how you could create these applications. So nice sharing this topic. This is a ninja technique. Use this stuff and set up applications for your account, and you will become like a Facebook ninja in no time. I'll see you next time.